Confessions of a Weekend Warrior, exploring local hidden gems. Hey there, fellow adventure seeker. If you've ever stared at a packed calendar and whispered, "I need a break, but I don't have the time or budget for a big trip," you're not alone. I've been there too, stuck between work emails, grocery lists, and that ever-growing pile of laundry, yet somehow still managed to turn a 2-day window into a mini escape that feels anything but ordinary. Below is my personal confession on how I uncover local hidden gems near me, and how you can do the same for the city you call home. 1. Start with the right mindset. Before you even open a map, ask yourself, what am I craving? Quiet contemplation, a hidden garden or a tucked-away library? Adrenaline, a secret climbing wall or a pop-up skate park? Culture, an under-the-radar art studio or a heritage house? When you pinpoint the vibe, the weekend adventure ideas start flowing naturally. Remember, the goal isn't to tick off a checklist, it's to give yourself permission to wander, wonder, and recharge. 2. Use a local travel guide. That's actually you. Traditional travel guides are great for faraway destinations, but for short trips near me, you become the guide. Here's my quick DIY guide routine. Step: what to do, why it works. 1. Scan community boards, check Facebook groups, Nextdoor, or the bulletin board at your coffee shop. Residents often post pop-up markets, flash museums, or pop-up concerts, exactly the off-the-beaten-path destinations you crave. 2. Google secret spots in my city. Add your zip code for hyperlocal results. The search engine pulls up blog posts, news articles, and even Yelp reviews that highlight underrated places to visit. 3. Follow the hashtag trail. Try Instagram hashtags like hashtag MyCityHiddenGems, hashtag LocalAdventure, or hashtag WeekendWarrior. Real-time photos give you a visual preview and often include directions that aren't on standard maps. 4. Ask a neighbor. Strike up a conversation with someone who's lived there longer than you. Local elders love to share stories about secret spots that tourists never see. 3. Top 5 secret spots I discovered last summer. Feel free to swap in your own city's equivalents. These are just templates. The Whispering Garden, a 2-acre community garden hidden behind an old fire station. It's free, has a small pond, and the scent of lavender is practically therapeutic. Perfect for a sunrise meditation. Mosaic Alley, a narrow lane tucked behind the downtown library where local artists constantly add new tile pieces. No entrance fee, just bring a camera and a curiosity for unique local attractions. The Rooftop Film Club, an abandoned warehouse rooftop that now hosts free, open-air screenings on Saturday nights. Pack a blanket and some popcorn. You'll feel like you've stumbled onto a secret cinema. Canyon Creek Trail, a 3-mile hiking loop that winds to a forgotten limestone canyon just 15 minutes outside the city limits. It's a short trip near me that offers waterfall views and a chance to spot local wildlife. Vintage Vinyl Vault, a tiny record store tucked behind a laundromat that also doubles as a listening lounge. Besides the obvious treasure trove of music, the owner runs a monthly album swap, a great excuse to meet fellow music lovers. 4. Weekend exploration tips. Make every minute count. Pack light, pack smart. A reusable water bottle, a compact snack, a lightweight rain jacket, and a portable charger are all you need for most off-the-beaten-path destinations. Set a no plan window. Reserve at least 1 hour where you have no itinerary. Let spontaneity guide you. You might stumble onto a pop-up farmer's market or an impromptu street performance. Timing is everything. Arrive early for hidden parks or gardens. The magic is often in the quiet, before crowds arrive. Leave no trace. When you discover hidden places locally, treat them with respect. Pack out what you bring in, and you'll keep those spots pristine for the next weekend warrior. Document, don't distract. Snap a quick photo, jot down a note, then fully immerse yourself. The memories will be richer than any Instagram feed. 5. Turn your discoveries into a personal gem map. Create a simple Google My Maps or a handwritten sketch of your favorite spots. Color code them. Red, places you'd love to revisit, maybe a hidden cafe with the best latte. Blue, spots that need a friend's company. Think a scenic overlook that's more fun with a buddy. Green. One-time wonders. You'll recommend on your own local travel guide blog. Over time, you'll have a curated list of underrated places to visit that you can share with family, coworkers, or anyone asking, "What's a cool thing to do this weekend?" 6. Your turn. Confess your weekend wins. Take a moment right now, close your eyes, picture the last time you stepped off the usual path. What did you feel? Relief? Excitement? A spark of curiosity? Confessions of a Weekend Warrior, exploring local hidden gems. Hey there, fellow adventure seeker. If you've ever stared at a packed calendar and whispered, "I need a break, but I don't have the time or budget for a big trip,"